See beta, three special cases I will be explaining you, that is quarter past, half past, quarter to. All the three I will be explaining you one by one. So let us start. The minute hand, suppose it is at 3, okay, and our hand is here. Suppose it is neither at 12 nor at 1, somewhere very much near to 12, after 12 in fact. Yes, so I will be considering it at 12 only. I told you 12. And to calculate the minutes, again you will be saying simply, ma'am, you multiply this 3 with 5 and 3 5s are 15. So time is 12:15. Now I can write this time, of course, in the same way, that 15 minutes past 12. Yes, that is also correct. That is not wrong. Yes, 15 minutes past 12. But here I am explaining you a different way to write this time. How I can write this time? Quarter past. Quarter past what? 12 only. Quarter past. See beta, this is my circle. This is my clock only. Clock is in the shape of circle. And I can divide this circle into 4 equal parts. You all have studied fractions. So each equal part is how much? 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Yes. Now this is 12. And this is 3. 12 and 3. This portion I have taken out from the circle. This little portion. So it is what? It is 1/4. 1 by 4. Part of this particular circle. So this 1 by 4 part we call it as quarter. Okay. This 4 is this 4 number is representing it as quarter. This is quarter part of the circle. That is why I can write here quarter past 12. This word quarter itself is telling that the minute hand is at 3. This quarter word itself is explaining to us that the minute hand is at 3. It is not at 2, it is not at 4. Understood? So this quarter word itself is telling to us that this minute hand is at 3. So I can write the time like this, 12:15 or quarter past 12 or 15 minutes past 12. That is also correct. You understood how I got this? I have divided the circle into 4 equal parts and each part is equal to how much? 1 by 4. So this 1 by 4 portion of the clock itself is known as quarter. This 1 by 4 portion of clock itself is known as quarter. Okay. Now one more question. Again the minute hand will be at 3 only. I will be changing only my hour hand. Suppose this time the hour hand is here. It is neither at 10 nor at 11. Somewhere after 10. So I will be considering it at 10 only. Yes. So time will be 10. And of course minute hand is at 3. So 3 5s are 15. So time is 10:15. Again the same time I can write in different way as quarter past what? 10. This quarter word itself is telling to us that the minute hand is at 3. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Now listen beta. Now suppose the minute hand is at 6, okay, and our hand is here. So you all can see our hand is somewhere between 7 and 8. So I will be considering it at 7 only. So I can write the time 7. Yes. Now minute hand is at 6. So to calculate the minutes, simply I will be multiplying 6 with 5 and 6 5s are 30. So time is 7:30. Now I can write, of course, in the same way 30 minutes past 7. But there is one special way also to write this particular time when the minute hand is at 6. When the minute hand is at 6, I can write the time half past 7. 7th I am taking from here only. Yes, half past 7. Half past. See beta again. This is my clock, circle in circular shape. Now I am dividing the clock into 2 equal parts. So each part will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and you know 1 by 2 is called as half. That is when this is my 12 and this is my 6. Now half portion of the clock of the circle I have taken. So this is what? Half. That is why I am writing here half. That means when the minute hand is at 6, I can write the time half past. This half past word itself is telling that the minute hand is at 6. Understood? Clear to all? Now one more example I will be taking here. So minute hand again will be at 6 only. Hour hand I will change. Let the hour hand be somewhere here. Again it is not at 3 and it is also not at 4. It is neither at 3 nor at 4. It is somewhere between 3 and 4. So I will be considering it at 3. So time will be 3. Again minute hand is at 6. So 6 5s are 30. So time is 3:30. And just now I told you when the minute hand is at 6. When the minute hand is at 6, you can write half past what? 3. So, 2 special cases I have explained you. When the minute hand is at 3, you can write quarter past. And when the minute hand is at 6, you can write half past. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.